Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we finally get to look at the Ipsy July bags. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing a hidden possible BoxyCharm spoiler. Well, thank you so much. Dawn loves her makeup. And Dawn says, oh my God, I'm first. I love your videos, Mandy. You're the best. No, Dawn, you are the best, honey. I really appreciate that. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much, honey, for coming in, watching the video and subscribing and turning your bell on and all that good stuff. I really do appreciate all of that. I couldn't be more thankful for you. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comments that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now I think these are a little bit cuter than last month. Y'all know my opinion from last month. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and start. So first let's pull up this standard bag. Now all of these have got some kind of like travel theme on it. So I believe that the theme is going to be something about travel. And that's the whole point of July, I'm assuming. Anyways, this one, I like this. It's pink with the teal zipper and it's got that little jet or airplane or whatever that thing is on there. And all 3 of these bags have different words. Now this one says escape. And of course, I love the little design with the palm trees, all that. I think that's cute. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and pull up the plus bag. This one's a little bit different, you know. They always got to make them a little bit different. This one is purple, but it's still got that same teal zipper with a little plane on it. This one says Wanderlust. Amazing. I think it's beautiful. I really do. And again, I can't help but think that the theme is going to be something about travel. And then, last but certainly not least, let's pull up the ultimate bag. Now, this one is a little bit different than the other 2. Of course, they're going to make this one different. This one's got 3 different colors on it. So, it's got the teal front, it's got the pink and purple sides. But I believe it does still have that little teal plain zipper right there. Or at least I can see a hint of it. And this one says, now boarding. I think these are absolutely cute, especially if it is travel themed, because I mean, if this is something to go with 4th of July or something, this is going to look real dumb, you know what I mean? So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and pull up the bag from July of 2019. Let me remind you what that bag looked like. Now, if you remember, that was this bag. So if you would, let me know down below, do you think they did better this year? Did you like last year better? Tell me your thoughts in the comments section and let me know what you think about the bags this year. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'm going to update you guys. I've got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Life of Jen. Jen says, hey lady, thanks. Well, you are more than welcome, Jen. Honey, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy seeing fast spoilers, because you know what? Whenever I want to see spoilers, I just want to see the items. I don't want to hear your damn opinion on it. I just want to see what the hell's going to be in the bag. So that's what I try to do for my subscribers. So I hope you enjoyed it. And Jen, thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have zip, zero, zilch, none of them. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.